So I'll be showing you how to stop someone or how to stop people from mentioning you on Instagram. So go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon and then tap on the three-line button in the top right corner and select Settings and Privacy. Under Settings and Privacy, scroll down and tap on Tags and Mentions. And then if you scroll down, you should see who can mention you. Now by default, it's set to allow mentions from everyone. Basically means everyone can mention me. You have the option to allow mentions from people you follow, or if you don't want mentions at all, you can just select don't allow mentions, and now no one will be able to mention you on Instagram. So that's basically how to stop someone or how to stop people from mentioning you on Instagram. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.